During the design phase, engineers establish model-based definition of a product's fit, form, and function, augmented with product manufacturing information, PMI data, such as notes, material specification, geometric dimensioning, and tolerances. In the past, PMI data had to be conveyed to suppliers and manufacturing stakeholders on 2D drawings, supplemental documents, or had to be transcribed into downstream manufacturing operations management or manufacturing execution solutions. This is no longer the case with SAP S/4HANA Manufacturing for Production Engineering and Operations, referred to as PEO. With PEO, the manufacturing engineer simply selects PMI data from the model-based definition and seamlessly consumes it as component lists, data collection elements, tool callouts, and so on. In this example, the manufacturing engineer needs to specify serialized data collection from the components installed at this operation. The manufacturing engineer simply confirms components provided by model-based definition, upon which the component part numbers, data collection fields, and required quantities are entered directly into the work instructions. This is done without having to manually enter, transcribe, or even format the work instruction document. Likewise, PMI data can easily be consumed as data collection elements. Here, the manufacturing engineer selects a PMI-based inspection characteristic to be included in the work instruction. Once again, work instruction information is conveyed without any manual entry, document formatting, or error-prone transcription. Another benefit is change management. PMI data is tracked down to the line item. If anything changes, change impact analysis will reveal every routing, work instruction, shop floor order, or supply chain document where this PMI data has been utilized. If change occurs, we can target and update specific PMI elements. PMI benefits provided by SAP S/4HANA Manufacturing for Production Engineering and Operations are seamless downstream consumption of PMI data, effortless work instruction authoring, targeted PMI change management, and the ability for 3D models to be used as a legitimate method for work instruction delivery.